Gentlemen of the press, you are welcome to Edo State Police Command. This is a special press briefing that borders on offenses under Cybercrime Act. And the Commissioner of Police has ordered for this investigation. On the 10th of January 2023, Mr. Festus Alenkhe, the current chairman of Nigeria Union of Journalists, Benin Chapel, Edo State, woke up to see a publication on the internet by a lady known as Rachael, Eboni, Iyonmana. It appears that the lady based in abroad, living outside the shore of Nigeria, and as we know that the world is a global village, anybody can communicate from one angle of the world to another angle of the world. And that is why the complainant woke up on that 10th of January 2023 to see a publication that was against him. And the cases we have here, under what the suspect had done, are defamation of character, cyberbullying, cyber stalking, false information, obscene publication. The lady blackmailed the complainant, Mr. Festus Alenkhe, that is a kidnapper, that he goes about wooing ladies and siphoning their accounts, their hard-earned money. This was the offense she alleged. But we all know that that amount to offenses I just mentioned: defamation of character, cyber bullying, cyber stalking, obscene publication, false information. And as an educated person as she claimed to be, one would have supposed that she goes straight to the police and file a report to the Commissioner of Police, or at the level of Assistant Inspector General of Police Zone 5 Headquarters, or even the Inspector General of Police for investigation. She cannot be a judge in her own case by trying to malign the character of this personality that we mentioned. As I know, Festus Alenkhe is the current Nigerian Union of Journalists chairman in Edo State. So, and that is why when he came up with his petition, a petition is a piece of complaint against somebody or group of individuals. The Commissioner of Police so approved it for investigation. The woman had been reached via telephone to appear before Edo State Police Command for questioning, and we are here to get our own response. And the command has further expanded this investigation by making a special police gazette bulletin declaring her wanted. And as I speak, Rachael, Eboni, Iyonmana has been declared wanted by the Nigerian Police Force, Edo State Police Command. So, for any information about our whereabouts, you simply call on the police investigating team led by Superintendent Balogu Rachael under anti-courtesy and under anti-kidnapping and cybercrime unit. I want to read out what the gazette that declares her wanted speaks. Eboni Rachael Iyonmana, female, wanted by the Nigerian Police Force, the Deputy Commissioner of Police, Edo State Command, Benin, that is the person of DC investigation under the State Criminal Investigation Department. The above named person is hereby declared wanted by the Nigerian Police Force. A warrant of arrest issued by the High Court of Benin City, Edo State. She is wanted by the police for the offenses of defamation, cyberbullying, stalking, false information, obscene publication to members of the public through social media such as Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, and networking. YouTube. Edo by tribe, adult, 5.1 feet inches height, medium build, oval faces, long, broad nose, small mouth, thick lips, good teeth, black eyes, copper in complexion, round chin, curly hair, large head, high forehead, woolly in habit. All these are description of her personal build. Always dress in English dress. If seen, arrest and hand over to the nearest police station or to the office of the Deputy Commissioner of Police in charge of investigation, State Criminal Investigation Department, Edo State. This is the information of the Special Police Gazette Bulletin concerning Eboni Rachael Osaze Iyonmana, who had just committed the offenses of defamation of character, cyber bullying, stalking, and false information, including obscene publication. So we want the public to know about this so that wherever she is seen, the police can be contacted. I want to remind us that cyber stalking is under Section 24, Subsection 1, Subsection B of Cybercrime Act, and it is punishable with 3 years or 7 million naira or both punishment. That is to say, the court, in its discretion, may give sentence of 3 years, including the 7 million naira. That is why they say or both. Then cyber bullying. It's under Section 24, Subsection 2, Subsection A of Cybercrime Act, and is punishable with 10 years or 25 million naira fine. Then we have obscene publication under Section 233D of Criminal Code. It's punishable with a term not exceeding 3 years or fine not exceeding 400 naira. So these are the relevant sections concerning the alleged offenses she's being charged.